Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my beauty channel. Guys, today I have demonstration video of my new Jean Amber Beauty Microneedle Eye Mask. And guys, I'm gonna explain you how to use this mask and what it does in just a second. First of all, I wanna thank you guys for being here on this channel. I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Second thing, I wanna thank you guys for supporting me, for being here on YouTube, on all the other social media channels, on Instagram, Facebook. And I want to thank you for supporting my business, my passion, my skincare line. I am just blown away what happened last weekend, how much sales we had. I'm like, wow, people are so happy. When you guys happy, I am the happiest. So I just wanted to take a second and say thank you to everybody. Now guys, I will show you what it does and what it is. This is basically a microneedle eye mask that is made of hyaluronic acid serum and peptide serum. Basically, this mask is very good if you have a like puffiness under eye. Yes, it works actually for under puffiness. If you have a small fine lines, if you have dark circles under eyes. Now guys, I don't have any fillers, nothing. I'm not gonna lie. I used to get fillers under eyes. Now I don't have anything completely. My eye area is free of all the fillers. With this mask is actually amazing for the eye area. Also, if you have a crow's feet, fine lines over here is amazing. You can even apply over here. If you're gonna be using this mask 3 times a week, it's going to lift your brows a little bit, because this is main muscle where you wanna focus when you have a droopy eyelids. I have a droopy eyelids and I focus over here. Also, you have 11 lines you can put over here. You can put on nasal labial folds or marionette's line over here. You can basically put anywhere if you have a lines. Some people have like a fine lines over here around their ears. So guys, I want to show you how I'm going to open this. You are peeling the mask, taking out the mask. Then you open this case very carefully. You don't want your masks touch anything, nothing at all, not even with the fingers. You can touch those masks. You have to carefully open. Make sure you don't drop these masks on the floor, because this is really important. You take it out like this. You peel the white protective thing over here very carefully. And then if you want better results, you can apply serum before applying the mask, or you can apply straight away. My skin is a little bit like more mature and I have a loss of elasticity, so I'm gonna be using, you know why, one tip: if you have like a firm skin, you can apply this mask right away on the dry skin. If not, like if you have like kind of, you know, my skin is a little bit like not very firm, I'll be using my hyaluronic acid serum. So I take one pump and I apply on the place where I'm going to be using mask. I'm going to be using mask over here around the eyes, over here on nasal labial folds and the marionette line. And you know what, I'm gonna use one over here and above the brows. So you kind of can use wherever you want, where you have an issue. Apply your favorite serum, any natural serum. Don't forget to have very clean skin. Also, you can apply on the nose. Microneedles shrinks the pores. It's very amazing. So I'm taking the mask very carefully and I'm attaching over here, like tapping gentle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure the mask stays very well, and you cannot even see. Maybe you can go and do shopping with this mask. Then I take another, peel it off the same way, and very carefully make sure it's not touching anything, and very carefully I'm applying on this eye and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How does it work? Basically, this is not needles. This is just a hyaluronic acid serum and peptide serum that are very hard. I don't know how they make, what kind of chemistry is this and physics, but basically those needles melts with your heat of your skin, and then in a couple of minutes you don't feel that tingling sensation. In the beginning it might feel a little bit like painful when you press it. I press it in the beginning, not much pressure, but it's just like a little bit like moderate, let's say, the pressure, and applying very gentle. Under the eye area, I will say be more gentle. Now I'm gonna apply on this part. I also apply cream on the top of this serum. Make sure guys you use only natural products. I'm using this from Drunk Elephant's Protein Peptide Cream, which is my favorite cream of all times. So I'm applying a little bit here, on here, and I'm applying here. I'm taking another case, 2 more masks. removing carefully. Then I'm applying this way, over here, above the brow. And then I take another one and I apply over here. It's hard to see, I don't have a mirror. Wait. If you do this, guys, you have to throw away the mask, because that's it, the mask is not going to work. I don't have mirror in the front of me, so I do mistakes. Another one. Okay, then apply this one over here. Now I have 2 masks, and then I have 2 more masks that I'm going to apply on my nasal labial folds. Okay, and then here. And the last mask goes on another. And then very gentle, press 2 masks. So that one that is left, I'm gonna use over here. Press one more time on the rest of the masks. It's kind of now doesn't feel any needles at all. Now how long you can hold this mask, you can hold for as long as you want. I will recommend minimum like 20-30 minutes. You can actually sleep over the night. I tried to sleep over the night, but I'm very like light sleeper and I couldn't sleep because I still feel that there's something wrong with my face. So I remove after like 4 hours. Nothing happened to my face. So guys, I will come back to you in like half an hour. I will show you how to take it out. So guys, it's been half an hour now. I'm going to remove all the masks. You have to take like this on the corner and very gentle remove it. Do you guys see any redness? If you have any redness, it's fine. I mean, it's mask with the small needles, it's fine. Now I'm going to remove here like this one and that one, and that's it. So this is what you have after. I don't know if I'm red a little bit, maybe under the eyes, but that's normal. I'm going to apply some cream on the top. Make sure that day, guys, you don't go anywhere. You don't go to the sun, you don't go work out, nowhere. You do this mask only before going to bed, and next couple of days you follow all the time SPF. It's crucial to follow with SPF after this mask, like after any other microneedling procedure, for the next couple of days. I still see a little bit red over here and a little bit red over here. That's completely normal, guys. That's gonna go away in the next day or 2. Don't worry if you're gonna have redness. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave me down below under this video. Bye.